Hi Paul, sorry to hear about the problem with your tumble dryer. I've got good news for you and a bit of bad news. One, I'm on holiday and I'm away for 3 to 4 weeks. I'm going to the IFA trade show in Berlin, but because I'm in a campsite where I'm able to have access to the internet via my Starlink system, I've been able to find out that this machine, yours is a Grundig GTN39250GCW. This is manufactured by Beko. Beko actually are very good at supplying all the technical information for your tumble dryer. I've not only got you the wiring diagrams for the machine and exploded diagrams of all the components, but I've also managed to obtain you the full workshop manual. Now this workshop manual has all the diagnostic system in there for entering test mode with all the error codes as well. So this should be really helpful for diagnosing the problem with your tumble dryer. Also, if you have any further problems, use the contact us page to get hold of me. I am traveling, but I do catch up every couple of days or so. And I've also added a load of videos that are associated to your Grundig machine. Although they are Beko videos, they will be appropriate. I hope this helps you. Watch till the end of the video and it will explain how to use the page correctly to get the most out of the actual web page that I've created for you. Have a good day, mate. I have created you an FAQ page specifically with all the wiring diagrams, workshop manual that includes error codes, diagnostic procedure, and explaining every component. But there's also videos on the page to assist you. If you or anyone else needs help, fill out the contact us form on the website. Make sure you give us your full model number and serial number, but most importantly, make sure you leave us a detailed description of the fault. Better still, why don't you upload a video to YouTube, send me the link, I'll be able to have a look at the problem and then be able to help you better. Making this page for you took me a while, so please remember to support the website by giving us a thumbs up on our YouTube channel and subscribing, and also sharing the channel to your friends and family. Please remember to support the website by buying the parts off us, and if we really helped you, you can always donate to the website by clicking on the Buy Paul the Beer page. Thanks very much indeed for watching.